In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Gmail account. By the end, you'll feel confident getting into your inbox quickly and securely. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a modern web browser open. Have your Google account email and your password ready. These are the two pieces of information you'll use to access Gmail. Start by going to gmail.com in your browser's address bar. Type it carefully to ensure you're on the official site. You should see the familiar Gmail or Google sign-in page. If you notice the padlock in your browser's address bar, that indicates a secure connection, which is exactly what you want when signing in. On the Gmail page, look for the Sign In option, typically located in the upper right corner. Click it to open the secure sign-in screen. If you've used other Google services recently in the same browser, you might see an account picker. That simply means the browser remembers you. Continue with the account you intend to use. When the sign-in box appears, enter your Google email in the field provided. Type it exactly as it was created, including anything before and after the @ symbol. If you usually use a phone number for your Google account, you can enter that instead, but using the full email address is often the clearest option. Take a moment to double-check for typos before moving on. Next, click the Next button to proceed. The page will advance to the Secure Password field. Now enter your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so verify that caps lock is off unless your password requires capital letters. If you use a password manager, it may fill this in for you automatically. Keep your password private and avoid typing it when others can see your screen. If something doesn't look right, pause and make sure you're still on the official Google sign-in page. Click Next again to continue. You might see a brief loading screen while Gmail prepares your inbox. Just give it a moment. You'll now be logged into Gmail. You should land on your inbox, where new messages appear in the main panel and your folders and categories are listed on the left. That's your confirmation that the sign-in worked. If your inbox looks different from what you expect, it could simply be a different layout or theme, which is normal. To recap, you went to gmail.com, selected Sign In, entered your email, clicked Next, typed your password, and clicked Next again. If you ever run into issues, double-check your email spelling and password characters, and make sure your internet connection is steady. Thanks for watching and enjoy your inbox.